This dance is called The Way It Should Be. It's a 32 count, floor wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with a chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Step the left to the side, touch your right over the left, step the right back to the side, touch your left behind the right. That set of steps once more, then chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side touch. Add on a vine to the left, so you're going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. On this one we're going to cross the right over the left again. Into a mambo cross, so you're going to rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on that right, cross that left over the right, that's your mambo cross, then hold. That set of steps once more, then vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Add that to the top. Chassé into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, hold. Into a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right to the side, turn yourself quarter of a turn to the right as you bring the right back beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. That is your Monterey quarter turn. Add on some heel struts. So you're going to step your right heel forward, lower the toe, step the left heel forward, lower the toe. Seamless transition on those heel struts, the foot does not leave the floor between the heel touching it and the toe going down. That set of steps once more then, Monterey turn off on that right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, heel, strut, heel, strut. So your Monterey turn, heel struts. So add that to the top. Chassé into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, hold. Monterey turn, heel strut, heel strut. So hopefully you managed to get that Monterey turn in because they've changed the words that I've used previously. You're now going to go into some jazz jumps. So you're effectively going to jump forward and backwards. So your right is jumping out to the right, your left is jumping out to the left. But they are jumped on the and 1 counts. You then hold on count 2. You're then going to jump back, right, left. Again, that is on and 3. You hold for 4. So it's actually going to look more like jazz jump, hold, hold. You're then going to take a very small step to the side on the right as you bump your hips to the right, bump left, bump right, bump left. That set of steps once more then, jazz jump off on that right. 7, 8, jazz jump, hold, jazz jump, hold, bump right, left, left. It is the end of the dance when you get to that point, but what the choreographer has said, alternative steps. If you do struggle doing those jazz jumps, you can just replace it with a V-step. Stepping the right forward diagonally to the right, left diagonally forward to the left, right back to where it came from, left back to where it came from. No holes in it at all. Your section would just be an out, out, in, close, bump right, left. But do try and do the jazz jumps. Those are just alternative steps that the choreographer has provided. So let's add it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, hold, Monterey, turn, heel strut and jump, hold, right, left. So that's your dance. The only hand counts that are in there is in that chassé and that jazz jump. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé to the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, hold, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, hold, just hold, bump, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, hold, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, hold, right, left, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, right, left. So hopefully you managed to follow that, especially as I missed out the word hold in that last wall. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, right, left, chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, right, left, chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, right, left, chassé, back rock, side touch, side behind, side cross, mambo, cross, Monterey, turn, heel strut, just jump, right, left, chassé, Valley, Monterey, just jump, chassé, Valley, Monterey, just jump, chassé, Valley, Monterey, just jump, chassé, Barton, Monterey, just jump, hope you managed that one.